Hello students, describe a film, movie actor from your country who is very popular. You should say who this actor is, what kind of films, movies she acts in, what you know about this actor's life, and explain why this actor is so popular. Well, I like different kind of movie actors, but I want to mention Shahid Kapoor. He is from Bollywood and he lives in India. He is my favorite actor. The best thing about Shahid Kapoor is that he is having the actual type of acting, and he has worked in 30 plus movies, and he is so much good in his acting, and mostly he like to make romantic movies, and sometimes he also make movies like uh, which are popular in his country, such as action movies. And the one more thing coming in my mind about Shahid Kapoor is that he belongs from a poor family, and he was very poor at his child age, and after that he was he worked so much hard, and he tried too much in Mumbai city, and I had read a book about him, and that book was very popular in my country, and the people about Shahid Kapoor, the people have positive comments about him because he has a beautiful personality, and he is famous for his body nowadays, because he has worked so much hard in the gym. And the best thing I want to include about his movies is that they have a beautiful story, and all of his movies have different kind of stories, and they are not like so much scripted. Some of his dialogues are written by him also. And one more thing uh, I want to tell about Shahid Kapoor is that he uh, is very well-known actor. Nowadays, he is also planning to make movies in Bollywood. Thanks a lot.